So Windows has this problem where the most useful settings are all scattered on your computer. In the settings app, in the control panel, the registry, the PowerShell, etc. So this app is basically a control panel for Windows that puts a lot of useful Windows tweaks and maintenance tools in one place. It can clean up Windows by removing temporary files, clearing up caches, and uninstalling apps. You can also use it to tweak Windows, such as changing the taskbar behavior, adjusting visual effects like transparency, modifying privacy related settings, and many other background features. It also allows you to disable annoying Windows ads and pop-ups. Additionally, you can improve the performance of your computer by managing startup apps, reducing unnecessary background activity, and changing your computer's power plan. It also lets you manage installed apps and delete them, and also provides information about your PC like the CPU RAM usage, the storage usage, and other system information. This app is basically a collection of small little utilities that make your Windows experience much better in multiple ways, like PowerToys Run, which is one of those utilities and is an app/file launcher that allows you to easily search for apps, settings, and files stored on your computer. You can also search the web, perform calculations, manage your clipboard history, check the time and date, or check your computer's performance. And this is just one of the utilities that PowerToys has. There's also another utility called Awake that allows you to prevent your computer from going into sleep mode. There's a utility called PowerToys Rename that allows you to rename files in bulk, saving you a lot of time compared to manually doing it. There's also a text extractor utility that allows you to copy text from areas where you usually can't copy text. For example, text from images. There are also a lot of other utilities like a color picker and image resizer that allows you to easily resize your images by simply right clicking on it and clicking resize without opening an image editor. There's also a keyboard utility that allows you to remap your keys. For example, you can make your caps lock key work like the control key. So basically this app is a complete package for Windows, and I feel this is a must-have, especially considering that this is made by Microsoft itself. Moving on to the next app. If you ever wanted Windows to look like a completely different operating system, there's an app for that, Windhawk. It's open source, but there's an important catch that I'll talk about a bit later. This app is basically a modding platform for Windows. It allows you to change the feel and look of Windows. You can make your start menu, taskbar, notification area transparent, or you can make your taskbar look like it's from Windows 7, or you can maybe make it vertical, or change how apps get grouped on your taskbar. But here's the catch that I previously warned you about. These mods are built by random developers. So not all the mods inside Windhawk are created by the main creator of the app himself. Because of this, it is pretty reasonable to think that some of the mods may carry malware. I am not telling you to skip the app, I am telling you to keep precaution while downloading mods. This app is a Windows File Explorer alternative built from scratch. Like, the size of this whole app is less than 3 megabytes. Folders open instantly, and it offers smooth scrolling that the default Windows File Explorer still doesn't have. It has multiple themes, so you can change its appearance, and it is insanely fast. And you can also change the view settings very easily using this slider. And clicking on any file and clicking the space bar allows you to preview it in the side panel. Overall, this is a very good app. It is currently in beta and free, but that will not always be the case. Once it is fully released, it will be locked behind a paywall, but at least for now, it is free and you can check it out. This app is an alternative to the Windows snipping tool and is basically a screenshot app on steroids. It offers multiple features like taking different types of screenshots. For example, you can take the screenshot of the whole screen using one shortcut, or you can only capture the active window using another shortcut, or maybe you just want to capture one specific element. You can do that with another shortcut. You can also do screen recordings, and it can do scrolling capture, meaning you can capture the whole website using the scrolling shortcut, just like modern phones do. So those are the 5 apps that really changed how Windows feels for me day to day. So recapping them once again: WinToys as an app that brings all the useful settings under one roof. PowerToys as a collection of multiple utilities that each makes your Windows experience a little less annoying. Windhawk if you genuinely want to change how Windows looks and feels and works. FilePilot if you simply want a faster and better file explorer alternative. And ShareX if the default Windows snipping tool has ever annoyed you. If you are interested in cool open source apps that are pretty useful, you can check out these videos right here. And yeah, have a nice day.